GitHub Copilot versus Cursor versus Windsurf. Which AI code editor is winning? I'm going to tell you about GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Windsurf. Three AI tools changing how we write code. GitHub Copilot is the most well known. It integrates with VS Code and other editors, suggesting lines and functions as you type. It's great for speeding up routine coding, but it's more assistant than collaborator. Cursor takes it further. It's a full AI first look fork of VS Code, with chat, code base awareness, and file level refactoring. It's like pair programming with an AI that actually knows your project. Windsurf is more experimental. It lives in the browser and blends terminal, editor, and AI prompts. Best for fast prototyping and creative workflows. So, who's winning? Copilot for mainstream devs, Cursor for deep AI native coding, Windsurf for flexibility and speed. Depends how far you want to go with AI. Assist, collaborate, or co create.